Hi, it's me again with Corel Tips and Tricks. Earlier today, I made a video on creating with this, and it looks a lot better with the black background around it. Object order back a page. It looks a little better. So I thought, will that work on with any shape? It doesn't really work. I tried a triangle first. It kind of works with a star. It's not, maybe not as symmetrically round as that one. But all I did was take a star and then I've got my nudge factor set on 1/2 inch. And if I take this and make a duplicate and then move this over with the 4-sided cross right there and then nudge it I made a duplicate. Nudge it 1/2 inch over. And then you can control D to duplicate that, put it there, and then move that over 1/2 inch. And since I did it good, I can do one more. And then I would suggest grouping these together, Control D, and just move them straight down, or you could put them offset a little bit. Let's try that. And then you'd want to Control G to group, Control D to duplicate, and then maybe just move them straight down. That's close enough. And since you hit it, you can go Control D, Control D, Control D. Now, I don't know what I was thinking about by smart filling these earlier in the video. So that's one of the reasons I decided to make the video. So if we go to Object and group these, we can just go here and turn them all. And then, so I left click fill, right click outline. I've got my envelope shape. I'm going to go to effects and envelope. And I'm going to put it inside contain. Well, I've got the wrong one selected. So it's going to ask me a question. So I'm going to hit escape. So grab that item, create from envelope form, and see it's not 100%. Well, it's pretty good. And then you don't have to group them together. You've already got them grouped together. Control D to make a duplicate. Hold down the Shift key and make it go from the inside. That one's selected, so make it black. Go up to Object, Order, back a page, and then blend them. We're going to go to Effects, Blend, and I'm just going to blend them 200 times. And this will definitely look better with the black background. It's taking a little bit because I've got quite a few stars in there. I think I hit apply. There we go. See, we can definitely see the background is not black, and this will add a lot to it right here. Object, order, back a page. That looks pretty cool. Anyway, so, if you're playing around, try with other shapes. I tried triangles. They didn't really conform to that. So far we've done squares and stars. Anyway, hope that gave you an idea or two, and thank you for watching.